what this video help you do. The tutorials show you how to install and activate the WP Bulk Delete plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Select the content type like posts, users, comments you want to remove. Apply filters such as date range, author, or status, and then perform the bulk deletion action. Note on deleting subscribers' users. The plugin supports bulk deletion of users, such as subscribers, by filters like user roles, registration date, or login date. Always back up your site before bulk deleting users, because deleted user accounts are permanent. So to do it, please log in to your WP dashboard and add this exact plugin and follow these step by step. In this video first, we will bulk delete the subscribers and then the posts. If this video helped you and your friends, please subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thank you.